LIFTPORT begins with one simple question. What should the user do tonight? Individuals are often seeking more than just food orders, retail purchases, or travel arrangements. They are in search of a comprehensive plan, a suitable destination, and a compelling reason to venture out. LIFTPORT captures that decision moment. Foodi creates habit. CartUp creates intent. US-Bangla creates movement. And LIFTPORT connects all three into one unified lifestyle ecosystem. Here, discovery leads to orders. Orders lead to purchase intent. Experiences lead to travel demand. LIFTPORT is Bangladesh's lifestyle operating system, where users discover, eat, shop, fly, and belong. The real problem begins with a human moment. The user does not know what to do tonight, where to go, or which experience is worth joining. LIFTPORT is not another service app. It turns daily services into one connected behavior system. Foodi becomes the taste engine. CartUp becomes the commerce engine. US-Bangla becomes the movement engine. And LIFTPORT becomes the nervous system connecting all three. The product begins with mood. The user chooses social spark, crave mode, treat myself, wander, or escape. Then, Bangladesh becomes a living interface. Every city becomes an active node, carrying food signals, commerce drops, and travel routes. Once the mood is selected, LIFTPORT Sense builds the night plan. A night market appears. A Foodi creator crawl is added. A CartUp limited drop becomes available. And US-Bangla turns the moment into future travel interest. The discovery feed shows what is happening tonight, near the user. Night market, fashion week, travel club, food awards, and more. Every card has a purpose. Match score, brand connection, points, and action. Every action becomes a passport stamp. The user is not just collecting points, they are building a visible lifestyle identity. LIFTPORT's properties are not one-time events. Fest, Fashion Week, Night Market, Travel Club, Campus League, and LIFTPORT 64 become repeatable brand habitats. Culture attracts. Participation becomes belonging. Belonging drives cross-brand use, and cross-brand use funds more culture. Behind the interface, the business gets intelligence. Taste graph shows what people want to eat. Lifestyle graph shows what people want to buy. Movement graph shows where people want to go. This is where US-Bangla gains the strongest advantage. Food and commerce can be copied. Aircraft, routes, and destinations cannot. The revenue model is customer paid first. Travel packages, commerce take rate, membership, ticketing, and creator commerce. Sponsorship is only upside. The pilots de-risk the model. Night market proves frequency. Travel club proves movement. Fashion week proves commerce and PR. Foodi feeds the moment. CartUp powers the lifestyle. US-Bangla moves the dream. LIFTPORT turns it into belonging.
Now we move into the execution layer. LIFTPORT is not only a strategy or a product demo. It is backed by a 12-month nationwide BTL calendar from September 2026 to August 2027. This calendar shows when the launch happens, which cities activate, where the night markets happen, where Fashion Week, Travel Club, concerts, creator programs, and district missions come alive. Dhaka starts the proof. Chattagram builds the commercial wave. Cox's Bazar and Sylhet create the travel story. Rajshahi, Khulna, Barishal, Rangpur, and other cities turn the platform into a national habit. Every activity is not just an event. Every activity creates app registration, QR check-in, passport stamps, brand engagement, and measurable user behavior. The route map shows expansion logic. The ops playbook shows manpower, permits, safety, vendors, and control room structure. The KPI panel shows budget, reach, check-ins, and growth targets. Strategy is ready, product is ready, calendar is ready.
The last question is, are you ready?